couldn't even think about, wait, do I know the steps? Who do I have to watch? I just did it, and I don't know what I did, but my body just followed suit to the fact that I was telling myself this is already mine. We got another cup. I didn't get cut though. Then we had to sing. I don't know what I was singing, but I was smiling, looking at them while I was doing it. They told me to sing some song. I was just like, okay. I don't know what I was doing, but it worked. I got the job that day. Then I was telling my family goodbye, and I love them, and that I'm going to work for Carnival for 8 months, working on a cruise ship, traveling the Bahamas, going to DR, living my life, and all these things just happened. I just did them. I didn't do it to inspire anyone.
Right.
But before I left, my friend told me that what I was doing was an inspiration, and I didn't even know how much of an impact it would have on anybody else, because I was like, I just feel like I'm doing something that
And I think that's beautiful, because when you really walk in your path and you do what you feel is right for you in your heart without trying, you end up changing the lives of others around you. You end up changing the lives of people that you don't even know are watching. You know how many people have came to me like, yo, you don't understand what you've done for me? I'm like, what did I'm eating. I didn't think that, yes, I'm making art with my food. I'm really spreading love. I didn't know that it was going to impact you the way it did. But when you know that, when you become conscious of it, you become aware of it, you cannot turn back after that. You have to keep moving forward. You can't go backwards and say, oh, I'm not good enough. Clearly you're good enough. Clearly, because people are being changed. People's minds are, this is a revolution that's going on right now. There's a revolution going on. It's called the revolution of the mind, and the only way for you to be a part of this is for you to wake up and follow your heart. That's what it is.